we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Restores the PS4 system to the default factory settings. Restoring default settings will not delete the saved data on your hard drive, games, saved data, screenshots, etc., but will remove all of the settings applied to the system.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.